To pay a discount hire credit card, a step-by-step process can be followed. By phone, contact the customer service department at 1-886-396-8254, a number that can be found in the description, and then follow the prompts to make the payment. This process is facilitated by the card's issuer. Alternatively, payments can be made online by visiting the website, signing into the account with the correct login details, and navigating to the payment section to finalize the payment. Another option is to pay by mail, which involves sending a check or cash to the address P.O. Box 960,061, Orlando, Florida 328960061, including the credit card number and other required details. By following these steps, the discount hire credit card payment can be made successfully.